Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful bun by using hair extension or hair tarsal. In Bangladesh we call it hair tarsal. If you have short hair or medium hair, you can use this hair extension or hair tarsal and can make this beautiful bun so easily without backcombing or teasing. I made this hair bun without any backcombing or teasing and without any hair spray. So if you are interested to know how I did this, then keep watching this video. So first I am combing my hair to remove the all knots and tangles from my hair. Now I am combing and taking all my hair behind my back, and then I am dividing it into two parts from the back side. Like that, you can see how I am taking my hair, and then I am securing my upper half with a clutcher. You can secure it with clutcher or bobby pins or a setting clip. This is how it looks from the back. Now on this back side of my hair, I'm going to attach this hair extension or hair tarsal. This is how it look. It have three sections. You can see that. Now I'm going to attach it on my hair. First I'm leveling the root of this hair extension or tarsal, and then I'm going to secure it with some bobby pins in this place, and now I'm going to secure it. You can see in which place I'm adding this hair extension or tarsal. So first I'm leveling the roots of this hair extension, and then I'm going to secure it with some bobby pins. You can use as much as bobby pins you need. I'm using like 5 or 6 bobby pins here, and you have to put the bobby pins in crossways. It will make it much harder and the extension will not come out easily. After attaching this hair extension on my hair, I'm feeling little bit heavier. I'm not feeling okay with it. So I'm taking one clip out from my hair where I secure it. And then what I'm going to do, I will take some little hair, more hair from my right side. From my right side, I'm taking a small chunk of hair. You can see how much hair I take it, and then I'm again secure it with that bobby pin. And now it's feel okay. I'm not feeling heavier now. After attaching this hair extension, now I'm releasing my upper hair. To achieve that bun, first you have to do a braid. So for doing a braid, first I'm taking some hair from my crown area. You can secure this crown area's hair with some bobby pin and then can do that braid. But here I'm directly taking the hair and then doing the braid. Here I'm doing a normal braid, and we all know that in normal braid we have to divide our hair into 3 parts. You can see I divided my hair into 3 parts, and every part of my hair I have that section of that hair tarsal or hair extension. After putting the 3 section of that tarsal on your divided 3 hair, then you will start your hair braid. You can see how I'm doing my braid. make sure the root of that hair extension do not come out. I'm just placing it the right place and then again doing the braid. You have to do the braid same way all way to your hair ends. I have layer cut on my hair so that the hair ends coming out a little bit, but it's okay. You can use some hair spray and then secure it with some bobby pins. My braid is done. Now I'm going to secure it with a black elastic. Roll the hair ends and then secure it with that elastic. You can see how I did that. See? Okay, now I'm going to make bun with this braid, but first I'm using 2 bobby pins on my side here. One is left side and other one is right side, and then we will start to do our bun. To do that bun, you have to roll your braid like that. See how I am rolling it all over my head. To make a bun, you have to roll your hair braid like that, and then you have to secure that braid in under the bun like that, and you have to use bobby pins and U-shaped pin to secure this bun on place. First I will use U-shaped clip. U-shaped clip, you can see that U-shaped clip like that. In Bangla we say it kata. So first I'm going to secure my bun with this U-shaped clip. I'm starting with my upper side, and you can see when I'm using that U-shaped clip on my right side, I'm supporting my bun with my left hand, and when I'm going to use that clip on my left side, I'm supporting my bun with my right hand. You have to support your bun with your hand, otherwise it will come out. You have to use this U-shaped clip around this bun and also on the middle to join that braid. Now I'm using the U-shaped clip on the middle side. You have to join that 2 braid with this U-shaped clip. See how it's looking, and now I'm going to use some bobby pins because my hair and this hair extension are so heavy. So you have to use some bobby pins around your bun, otherwise it will not stay much long. The bun will be loose. So I'm using some bobby pins around my hair, and also I'm going to use some bobby pins on the middle too. Now I'm using bobby pins in the middle. You have to feel that the bun is tight and secure and it will not come out. Okay, my bun is almost done. If there are some hair ends come out, you can secure it with some bobbins and also can use hairspray. I didn't use any hairspray here. There is a roots of that hair extension showing, so I'm putting it down and then secure it with a U-shaped clip so that it not show. Okay, my bun is done, and after that I'm used a hair clip on my bun. You can use hair clip or fresh flower on your bun. When you will use fresh flower, you can put it on the side of that bun, of this bun. It will look good. So that's it. This is the end of my hair bun, and that's the front look of my hair. If you want, you can do some puff on this crown area, but I did this bun without any teasing and hairspray, without any back combing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please give a like and share this video with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye. And if you didn't subscribe yet my channel, then please subscribe. It will help me to grow. Thanks for watching this video till the end. See you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye. Allah Hafiz, love you all. And if you like my makeup look, it's a pancake makeup look. I use coconut pancake for this makeup look. It will upload on my channel this Saturday, so stay with me. Bye.